I monetized my channel in just 7 days, using only 3 Stickman videos. All 3 got a huge number of views, and I picked up over 11,000 subscribers. Since then, I've been consistently making $300 to $500 every single day. And on top of that, I just landed my first sponsor for an upcoming video. In this video, I'll walk you through everything step by step, exactly how I make these videos for free. I'll also show you a website I use to generate unlimited AI videos at no cost. It's completely open, there's no credit system, and it doesn't leave any watermark on your videos. If you're serious about growing on YouTube, stick around and watch this all the way through. Right now, I'm running 8 Faceless YouTube channels, and together, they bring in over $30K a month. I started this channel just to share the exact strategies that made that possible. I can't guarantee I'll keep making content like this, so if this is useful to you, subscribe now and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. Stick with me until the end. I'll show you the actual results we get from everything we build in this video. In NotebookLM, create a new project. This will be for reference. We will copy the channel links of our competitor channels. The first channel I choose is Simple Ways of Life. I will copy its link. Paste that link as a reference or source in NotebookLM. The second channel is Stick Figure Explains. Repeat the process for a few more successful channels for better results. Once that's done, continue to the next step. NotebookLM analyzes the videos. Go to Settings, and in the Style section, choose Custom. Copy the first prompt and paste it in the box. Don't worry, at the end of the video, I will tell you where you can find these prompts for 100% free. Save this. Now I'll ask it to suggest 5 video topics and titles. We've got our video ideas along with titles inspired by the successful channels. I will be making a video on how to actually rewire your social instincts in 14 minutes. We have our video title, so the next step is to write the script for our video. I will open a new tab and go into NotebookLM once again. You can use the same tab as well. Now you'll have to copy and paste the video links from any channel whose scripts you think are outperforming. I will go into their popular videos, copy the video link, and paste it in NotebookLM's sources box. Repeat the process for a few other videos as well. I used 5 videos as reference. You can use as many as you want. Let the AI analyze the videos. Once again, go to Settings, Custom, and now copy the second prompt and paste it in the box. Now give the AI a command to write the script, and make sure to mention how many words you want the script to be. Let's say I want a script of 1,000 words. By the way, if you don't know, 1,000 words of script can generate 6 to 12 minutes of video. The command must include the title of your video. In my case, I'll go back to the chat where the AI suggested titles for my video. I will copy my video title and paste it along with the command. The AI has generated a script for us, just like our competitors. It wrote a very nice hook for our video and created chapters for our video as well. The next step is to generate visuals for our video, meaning how we will generate Stickman animation according to our script. For this, we will use ChatGPT. Copy our third prompt, paste it, and at the end of the prompt paste your video script that was generated by NotebookLM. ChatGPT will write us prompts for our stick figure animation in 3 parts because the script is too long. In each part, we get the scene number, the script line, and the prompt for generating the stick figure animation. After generating all 3 parts, the next step is generating videos from these prompts completely free. This part is very important, so don't skip it. There are a few important things I have to discuss. Before I tell you about the secret website we'll be using to generate unlimited AI videos completely free, please give this video a like and write a nice comment. Even a simple thank you or your country's name really helps my video get some views and gives me motivation to keep bringing you completely free websites and profitable YouTube channel strategies. Okay, now for video generation, I am using Vibes AI. The link will be in the video description. Don't worry. Once inside, click Get Started, and down here you can choose video, image, or lip sync. Whatever you want to use. I will go directly with video. You can go with image as well, and then convert that image into animation. In advanced settings, you can choose the quality of the video. I paste the first scene prompt for the stick figure animation. After some time, I got 4 amazing videos. I know you might be thinking, this video is vertical, I want it horizontal. Don't worry. Once you open the video, it will be horizontal. And if it's not, still don't worry. During editing, I will show you how we'll turn it into landscape. Stay with me. To download the video, right-click on it and choose Open Video in New Tab. In the New tab, down below, click the 3 dots and download. So why aren't we using the direct download method? Because downloading that way sometimes leaves a huge watermark on our video. If we download this way instead, we get rid of that watermark, and the video quality stays original. Now copy our second prompt and paste it. Repeat the process for downloading the video. Copy the next prompt and paste it. Sometimes the website will show an error and won't generate videos for you. Don't panic. Just refresh the page or re-upload the prompt. There are no credits and no usage limit. So why does this problem happen? The reason is simple. This website is still in beta, meaning it's not fully developed yet, so it can face some issues. So don't worry. Once you finish getting your stick figure animation done, our next stage is generating a professional voiceover for our video. After that, I'll show you how to edit your videos to turn them from vertical to horizontal for YouTube. For the voiceover, you can use any website, but I'm going with Cartesia. This website gives you 20K free credits. If you'd like me to bring you a video about completely free and unlimited AI voiceover websites, like Vibes AI, just comment part 2 inches below. If I get 200 comments on this video, I will definitely bring that video to you. Okay, so let's choose a voice for our voiceover that matches the vibe of the stick figure animation.
There's something wonderful about the first cool morning of fall, isn't there?
It's nice to meet you. Hope you're having a great day.
Once upon a time, there was a little cafe on the corner of a busy street. Every morning, the smell...
I think the Theo voice is perfect for this video, so I'll choose that. I will copy my script. I'm picking a portion of it and paste it. I can choose the emotion of the voiceover and generate it.
You're standing in a circle of people. Someone asks you a simple icebreaker question, and suddenly your brain hits a massive error 404.
If you think it sounds perfect, download the voiceover and open your editor. Bring all your media into the software. Then download a white background, add it to your timeline along with your voiceover. The next step is to remove all the silent parts from the voiceover. This makes your video sound more professional and keeps viewers watching for longer. Once you've finished removing all the silent parts from the voiceover, bring in your video clips and align them with the voiceover. Now let me show you how to turn your video from vertical to horizontal. Just select the clip, go to Remove Background, then select Chroma Key. Choose the color picker and drag it onto the background of the stick figure video clip. It will remove the background of the clip and blend it into the white background. You can increase the intensity for better clarity. Now repeat the process for all the other clips as well. Once you're done with the color adjustment, you can scale the stick figures up or down as needed. You can add text to the video for extra attraction. Once your editing is complete, hit export. Before I show you the finished video, please make sure you've liked, commented, and subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate your support. Please watch the video, and all the prompt links and material links will be in the video description or pinned comment. Thank you so much for watching.
You're standing in a circle of people. Someone asks you a simple icebreaker question, and suddenly your brain hits a massive error 404, personality not found screen. You mumble something about liking sleep, then spend the next 3 hours doom scrolling on your phone to forget the cringeworthy silence you just created. If you feel like a boring, socially stunted failure, it's not because you were born without the social gene.